Cleanliness first. This is the most essential rule of nail care. Maintaining a clean and hygienic environment for your nails prevents the growth of bacteria and fungi, keeping them healthy and attractive. Remember, your hands and nails are constantly exposed to various elements throughout the day, so make sure to clean them thoroughly. Hydrate cuticles. It's like providing a water source a thirsty person. Cuticles guard the nails against infections, and hydrating them helps in keeping them soft and pliant. You can use a dedicated cuticle oil or a good hand moisturizer. Gentle nail damage. Avoid harsh items. Chemical-filled nail polish removers and other harsh items can strip away your nails' natural to brittleness. Chore gloves. Exposing nails to detergents and cleaners while doing household chores can weaken them. Always wear gloves to protect your nails. Regular trims. Just like your hair, regular trims are important for your nails. This helps in maintaining their shape and avoids any kind of nail breakage. Quality products. Don't compromise on the quality when it comes to the products you use. High-quality products nourish the nails and enhance growth. Balanced diet. Just like nutrition foods rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals in your diet, no nail biting. Biting nails is a bad habit and can cause infections and nail. Do you want to maintain beautiful nails? Keep nails happy. Try incorporating these tips into your routine and you'll notice the difference. Remember, your nails are a reflection of your health. Take care of them.